In today's video, we will look at the cancellation of an authorization. Okay, we are on our external landing page. We have logged in as an employee of Suncor and we are acting on behalf of Suncor. So now let's click on New Integrated Application. Our authorization belongs to a project that we previously associated with a project name. So I'm going to enter that in here. Again, that is an option. It doesn't have to match. It can be a unique project name. I'm going to put in my contact details, and then I'll click Save and Next. Okay, we're on the water application page. Instead of creating a new application now, we will look at modifying an existing authorization. I'm going to select cancellation. And then we can see here that we have several different ways to initiate this cancellation. If I know the authorization number, I can insert that and just click search, and then we will call that authorization number up directly. Alternatively, I'll show you another method here. We can just search for all temporary diversion licenses, and then we can select from the list, and we can see here that there is an eligible flag here as well. If the TDL is expired, then of course it would not be eligible to be canceled. Okay, I am interested in canceling this one. And we can confirm this by using this tag. Previously, I associated this with the Frank's Dugout, and I'm using that information here. Again, tag and project name are fields that industry can use to navigate these screens. Now I've selected that. I'm going to click Add. And we will see here a new application card with the TDL cancellation. Our tag previously associated with Frank's Dugout has been copied onto the new application card. And now we will select the reason for the TDL cancellation. AER needs to know whether water has been used or not. So we will select that the license has not been used. And we will provide a comment saying something to the effect of another source will be applied for. Just providing some context as to the reason for this for our records. We will click Save and Next, and we will see here the screen for the assessment criteria. Assessment criteria are processed for all applications, and we can see for this temporary diversion license, it's a baseline review. Baseline review is an outcome that is not necessarily associated with all authorizations. Some may be additional review. In this case, we will look at the declaration and disclaimer, agree, and submit. Let's confirm that. And we have our application number here. And back to our landing page, we can see that this is the cancellation request that we've just submitted here. Let's take a look at the summary. Okay, we can see that the summary of the cancellation application has been provided, as well as the decision document, and that can be viewed at any time. Thank you very much. That's the end of our cancellation video.